Sean Diddy Combs, once one of the most influential figures in music, fashion, and entertainment, is now facing the battle of his life. As he remains locked behind bars, accused of sex trafficking, racketeering, and transporting individuals for prostitution, his legal team is beginning to show signs of collapse. In a shocking and highly unusual move, his defense attorney, Anthony Rico, has filed a motion to withdraw from the case, just months before trial. The departure of a key attorney at this stage is far from normal, and Rico's carefully worded statement to the Manhattan federal court has left more questions than answers. Under no circumstances can I continue to effectively serve as counsel for Sean Combs, Rico wrote in his affidavit. But what does that mean? The phrase "under no circumstances" suggests that something serious, possibly even alarming, has occurred behind closed doors. Did Rico uncover something that made continuing to defend Combs impossible? Was it a strategic disagreement, or something much darker? The collapse of a billionaire's empire, once regarded as an untouchable mogul with his hands in music, liquor brands, fashion, and even politics, Combs' empire now seems to be crumbling faster than anyone could have imagined. The arrest itself sent shockwaves through the entertainment industry, but the fact that he has been denied bail is even more telling. For a billionaire of Combs' stature to remain in custody for months suggests that the government has overwhelming evidence and possibly even cooperating witnesses. Now, with Rico's sudden withdrawal, it begs the question, does he know something the public doesn't? High-profile criminal cases like this involve intense strategy, and an experienced defense attorney would not abandon a client unless the situation was either ethically compromising or completely unwinnable. Did Rico see the writing on the wall? Or is there internal turmoil within Combs' legal team? If Rico left for ethical reasons, it could suggest a moral line was crossed. Perhaps new evidence surfaced that he couldn't in good conscience defend. If it was a strategic issue, maybe the legal team is divided over how to approach the case. One thing is certain, this is not a normal legal maneuver. Lawyers don't just walk away from a billionaire client unless something major is happening behind the scenes. The chilling allegations, the charges against Combs paint a horrifying picture. Prosecutors allege that he operated a secretive network involving sex trafficking and abuse, using his wealth and power to control, manipulate, and exploit individuals. If these allegations are proven true, it could mean decades behind bars, and a complete erasure of the legacy he spent his life building. The case will likely rely heavily on witness testimonies, and there are rumors that multiple individuals from Combs' inner circle may be cooperating with prosecutors. If that's true, his defense just became even more difficult. Could this have played a role in Rico's departure? This case is shaping up to be one of the most explosive celebrity trials in recent history. The details are disturbing, and if the prosecution has substantial evidence, whether it's victim testimonies, financial records, or even recordings, Combs may not stand a chance. A fall from grace. It's hard to overstate how significant this moment is. Combs wasn't just another rapper, he was a cultural force. He revolutionized hip-hop, built an empire, and for decades, he gave the impression that he was always in control. But now, that image is completely shattered. His once glamorous lifestyle of lavish parties, expensive yachts, and high-profile connections is now replaced with the reality of a prison cell. The power that once shielded him appears to be fading, and the sudden withdrawal of a key lawyer only adds to the growing sense that his legal battle is spiraling out of control. What happens next? That's the million-dollar question. With the trial date set for May 5, 2025, the world is watching closely. Will more of his legal team jump ship? Will more shocking details emerge? And most importantly, will this be the moment where one of hip-hop's most legendary figures faces his final downfall? For now, one thing is clear, this story is far from over.